In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate GCash USD Wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, what to review before you activate, and how to complete the on-screen setup so you can receive, hold, or convert US dollars with confidence. Start by opening the GCash app on your device. From the main screen, head to the Profile section. This is where your personal settings and linked services live, and it's the quickest route to manage new features. Inside Profile, tap on My Linked Accounts. This area shows all the accounts and services you've connected to your GCash. Look for the option labeled US Virtual Account. This is the entry point to the GCash USD Wallet experience. Before you activate anything, take a moment to read all the details on the screen. You'll typically see information about what the USD Wallet does, any applicable fees, limits on transactions, how conversions are handled, and which transactions are supported. It's important to understand how receiving and holding US dollars works, as well as how converting to your local currency is calculated. If there are notes about eligibility, usage restrictions, or customer support, read those carefully as well. Only proceed when everything makes sense and you feel comfortable with the terms. Once you've reviewed the information, agree to the terms and conditions. This confirms you understand the service and are opting in. The app will guide you through prompts to complete the setup. Follow the instructions exactly as shown on your screen and fill out all necessary details. Enter your information accurately and make sure it matches your records to avoid any delays. If the app asks for confirmations or additional details, complete them promptly. Keep an eye out for any reminders about security and never share one-time codes with anyone. After you've submitted the required information, give the app a moment to process your activation. When it's done, your GCash USD wallet will be ready to use. From here, you can receive US dollars into your wallet, keep them there if you want to hold in USD, or convert them when you need to. If you decide to convert, review the displayed rate and any fees so you know exactly what you'll receive. That's it. You've opened GCash, gone to Profile, selected My Linked Accounts, tapped Use Virtual Account, carefully read the details and agreed to the terms, and followed the on-screen prompts. Your USD wallet is now good to go, and you can confidently receive, hold, or convert US dollars using GCash.